Congrats Ramakrishna for your success.
Thank you, sir.
ఎప్పుడు పాస్ అవుట్ ఏం చదివారు?
2015 passed out, sir.
ఓకే
Mechanical engineering.
ఓకే ఏం చేశారు దాని తర్వాత?
Yeah, I have worked as an assistant professor
Okay.
for 5 years.
ఓకే
And then my friend suggested to move into IT.
ఓకే
Specifically, I have, after referring to many things,
Okay.
many institutes and everything,
ఓకే
BRN I found the best in Hyderabad,
ఓకే
with very good career opportunities, and people can learn more in a very realistic environment with the rules and regulations what we have
Okay.
created here.
Okay. Before joining, definitely you must be having some doubt or hesitation because already you got a huge gap and already mechanical background.
Yes.
Definitely you must be having some doubt whether you will get a success or not. How do you believe ARN?
Yeah, I have zero knowledge in coding actually.
Okay.
But my as per the initial classes here,
Okay.
I got interest towards coding.
Okay.
After continuously working consistently and persistently, I have interest towards developing. I got the confidence that I can do.
Okay. What is the difference between first day of Ramakrishna and till today? What kind of difference that you observed technically?
Yeah, I have a number of doubts that whether I would be able to survive or not.
Okay.
After these many days of work, I clearly say that I can do.
Okay.
Only thing is that everybody can do, irrespective of their background. Only thing you need to do is you have to put your efforts
Okay.
consistently with seriousness. And if you are not very much passionate about your career or not serious about something, you cannot do anything.
Okay. Okay. What is the difference between normal trainings and BRN and INFOTECH training?
Yeah, BRN has specific, different style of taking the students actually. The regulations, the timings they set or the continuous practice what they provide here, 8 hours training, that every student has not just sitting for 8 hours, but you have to, quality time you have to spend in doing the work.
Okay. So before joining BRN, you must be watching a lot of success videos on YouTube. Now your success video is going to be on YouTube. How do you feel now?
Yeah, that's really great, sir.
Okay.
I got a confidence that yes, I can do.
Okay. What do you suggest for the people who are looking for good careers?
Yeah, you see, if you are really interested into IT, if you don't have any coding knowledge also, you can join BRN. You can learn from the scratch. Here, the sir who is going to teach the concepts are very from the scratch with zero knowledge of coding also you can learn. Only thing is you have to blindly trust BRN and join that.
Okay. So how is the journey?
I believe that age is not a number, and there is no proper direction you can go. You can go from anywhere to anywhere.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for feedback and all the best for
Thank
future.
you. Thank you, sir.